welcome back to MDTV. Just to let you know that we've now started an e-commerce website, which means that all the things in the shop that you can, when we actually get them all on there, you'll be able to go on online and buy. One of the most popular things that we sell in the shop is the lightweight aluminium walkers. So what we thought we'd do is show you how to turn that, which has arrived on your doorstep, just a brown cardboard box. So you're going to have to take it out of the box and build it, and hopefully end up with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move these out of the way. This is one that I've pulled out of the box, open the box, taking it all out, and what you end up with is you end up with these two front wheels like so. Entirely the front wheels because they don't have a brake on them, and they've just got these little shoulders on. You end up with a frame like so, and then you end up with the back wheels, which have all the cables on them, and they actually have all the the top handles and this sort of thing. Right, so the first thing to do is to work out from your frame which is the front and which is the back. Two ways of working that out. You've got the long sweeping bar like so, that's the back. You also know that you're getting it right because you've got your basket clips, your bag clips should I say, on the front. Now with these, sometimes you're thinking it won't open. Don't open it with the top, just open it with the sides like so. So open it up, lock it out, and then you're in a position where you can put your front wheels on. Now we're not going to do that, we're going to put the back wheels on first. The reason for this is, I'll just quickly undo these as we're talking. Because these are actually a long bar that adjusts, and they adjust for the height so that you can make yourself a nice comfortable walking position, so they're not too high or not too low, and they make you stand up nice and straight. I should have undone these before, but I won't take a minute. If you put these bars into the holes first, so what you have to do is you have to make sure that the loop that you're going to sit in is actually in that position, so that when you pop that in there like so, they're a bit stiff, but don't worry, they will go. You just have to fight them a little bit sometimes. Oh, that one is stiff. There we go, that's in and that's in like so. Push them right the way down. The reason you're pushing them right the way down is it takes the tension off these cables. Now most people when they're building these take this to the back and pop it in. Nothing wrong with that, but what it means is that this cable is on the outside of the frame. If it's on the outside of the frame and you catch it on something, it can travel a long way back before you realise you're caught, and then so it's a trip, like a trip hazard. So take this and pop it through the frame, drop it out the back, turn it the right way up. Now you know it's the right way up because you've got your kicker tube here, and that has to be on the inside. So brake at the top, kicker tube at the back, like so, so that when your foot's on it, you're kicking on this, on the inside. So just pop that into there, like so. Press your pins, and just give it a tap. So that's that side. Right, so exactly the same again. I'm going to just go through this once more. You know this is the right way round because your kicker tube, which is that bit there, is on the inside of the frame, and your brake is on the outside. So pop it through the hole. Doesn't matter if you drop it. If you drop it, you can still turn it the right way around. So come into the back here, like so. Now you can see it's dead easy to put on because the cable's nice and slack. If we hadn't put the hands in at the top, they would have been really tight. Give it a tap. Click, click, these come out, and that's the back of the all made. Right, turn it upside down. Doesn't matter which one you put on this side. To prove that, I'll even put this one from that side to there. Just press the silver click, give it a tap, down it goes. Same at that side, pop it in, silver clips, down it goes. Lift it back up again. With these, because you're wanting to set the height, you'll have to sort of move it up to a position where this one, just let me stand up and have a pull on that. You've got all these holes going down the side. So let's just make this up because I don't know how tall you are. I'm going to set that one. Keep coming down, the hole has now appeared here, and you've got two holes showing. Just spin it round. When you're putting your bolt through, you'll notice here that is actually cut, so it's the same shape as the bolt head. So pop your bolt through, give it a waggle, and just make sure that the bolt is seated in the hole. Spin it back around again, washer on, tighten up, and give it a decent turn. You can even feel that little pulling into there slightly, and that's your walker built. Not going to show you that side because it's just the same as this. I'll tell you what, we will do that side just so that you can see it all again, because we don't, then there's no mistakes. Yet again, I'm going to have to stand up and give this a pull because I pushed it down too far. Right, so set that so that you can see two holes coming out the top. You can tell when you've got it right because the hole, that's one, will appear here, like so. So hole there, hole there, hole there. Back around this side, pop your nut bolt through, your bolt should I say. Give it a waggle if it's not going through, and let it seat into its hole. Pop it back round again, pop your washer on, and tighten up. Like so. Tighten up, and that's your walker built. While we're here, to fold these up, you lift it all day long by doing that. In the middle, you'll see there's two silver pieces and a strap, like so. Little sharp tug, and it goes together like so. Pick it up, pop it in the car. Your bag, which I haven't opened, so I won't put it on, it just sits on here and sits in this square here. Hope that helps. If you want to ring up, we'll talk you through it the best we can. And if not, just watch the film again and you'll work out which way it goes round. But thank you very much for your time. Bye for now. Right, MDTV. Just had a lady ring up to say I didn't show the bag going on the front of the walker. So, don't stretch it out full, don't open it up full width. Take your bag out of its packaging and unwrap it. Now, as you'll see in the corner of your bag, there's a little hoop, and it's got a little tab on the back of it. Same at both sides, little hoop, little tag on the back. And on the front of your walker, you've got this square bit, and it actually has two little notches here. The whole idea of that is, and make sure that you put it on the right way around, is that this goes over the tube. A little bit fiddly, but the thing is, once they're on, you don't need to take them off. Ignore this bit, because all that's for is that when you actually fasten the frame together, you can actually hook that round the other side of the frame so that it doesn't open up. So slide it back, like so, and make sure that it goes underneath both those hoops at the top and the bottom, like so. That's now fastened in there. Do exactly the same at the other side. So you've got your hoop with a little tab on it, like so. Put your finger in there, pop it over the top, like so, slide it back, hook it in, and pull back like so. That's your bag now firmly in place, and as you can see, doesn't matter what you do with that, it isn't going to come off unless you want to take it off. So I hope that's alright for you. Thank you very much for buying a walker from us, by the way. We do appreciate all the trade that we get, and I hope that's helped you out. Thank you.